My name is Sofia.
And I'm Ruben.
And this is Christina, and we've been traveling for less than 24 hours.
Yeah, our first day. So welcome to the inside of the RV. So we got our kitchen here. We painted the bottom of it, bottom cabinets orange because we want to be festive with it. We got our sink and stuff, got our little bonsai trees. This is where we keep our food, and our plates and stuff is over there. We got our microwave, which works well. We got our stove and it runs on propane. So yeah, we got that. We got a little cast iron pan in there. We got some more storage and where we keep our bunch of knives and stuff. It's all crammed in there for right now, but it's our first day, so. And we also have all of our, well, most of our stuff, our plants and stuff,
they're all
Velcroed down.
So they don't fall.
So yeah, so
and anything that is not Velcroed will fall.
I don't know how that stayed, but.
It didn't, it was in the sink.
Oh, okay.
The sink is like the best spot to put stuff that you don't know
yeah.
what to do with.
Yeah, so this is just a sticker, you just put it on. You gotta match it up, but it's honestly not hard at all. Yeah, you just put it on there and it looks great. We love it. So we got the fridge. It runs on propane, and also we have 2 solar panels and it connected to a battery, and it can work on electricity as well. So yeah, we like that. Yeah, and we got a freezer. And then we got this broom here. I found it because I used to work for a junk removal company, so most of the things we have, like pans and stuff, I found on the job. So I found this nice broom. That was pretty dope. And then we have some more storage where our pots and pans and plates, just extra stuff. We also have more storage down here. We honestly have a lot of storage space, yeah, pretty much.
It's just about organizing.
Yeah, it's all about organization and keeping it together, but it's honestly our first day, so we're doing well.
Okay, so when you come back here, you'll see the bathroom that didn't look like this when we bought it. Again, this was wood, and it was like that cheap wood. So we put the same marble that we used for the kitchen here. The sink we still haven't replaced just because there wasn't enough time. This is more storage, it's just like hair stuff. And actually here, you'll see I put a painting up, but it's because to put the TV in the bedroom, we actually had this wall is too thin, so we had to put an extra piece of wood so the TV would stay because it's kind of big. The toilet works, surprisingly. And then there's more storage down here that we kind of just use for stuff that we don't use every day. And then my makeup. Over here we just keep anything that would fly off. So yeah, that's the bathroom. So this is the shower here. This is like Velcro strips, so the thing doesn't move like this, but that's temporary. And then we have a curtain here. Eventually I want to paint the whole shower white. I also got a brand new shower head. This is supposed to like filter out chemicals in the water. I got that from Amazon as well. We do have a hot water heater. It's right under the sink. And that's it for the shower. I think the reason for going tiny was I feel like every day started to feel repetitive in a sense where we wanted to see the stuff, but we'd have to wait till the weekend, and every day just felt like the same thing over and over again. Yeah, just like
go to work and then come home, go to sleep, eat, go to work again.
Yeah.
And we both want to travel. We're both 19, so we grinded for like 3 months and then bought this RV and just started working on it just to do something besides like work and sleep. Mm. So when you come back here, this is our lovely den that we have. We have our bed, it's Tempur-Pedic, and then on this side we have Sofia's clothes and all her bags and stuff. And then we also have some storage here to keep her cameras and stuff, and I keep my cameras on that side and my clothes are on that side. Yeah, these curtains are blackout curtains, so they work pretty well. And then right here, this is what I'm mostly proud of. This is our vacuum cleaner. It just plugs into the wall and it just charges up and it stays there while we drive for the most part. Yeah, I feel like we have enough room. This is This is a full extend, so yeah, we fit great. So this TV, me and her father put this in. This thing is a beast. Just go like that. We can chill in bed. It's a Roku, works pretty well. It's actually plugged into the bathroom. We cut a hole in the wall, and yeah, that's how that works. So we got some storage under the bed. This is where our water tank is, and like where our inverter for our storage and the extra battery we have for the solar, I meant. Yeah, but yeah, we just lift this up, and we got a bunch of stuff down there. We have jackets and just extra stuff, and we're gonna organize it more, but it's our first day, so yeah. We got 2 Renogy storage solar panels, and the solar panels are connected. These are the wires, and it comes down and it connects to a battery, and the battery is connected to a converter, and that converter is what connects to all the outlets in the RV. So yeah, that's how we power our TV, the fridge, and yeah, just the outlets and stuff.
Over here is the living room. We have like a dinette. We actually, the bed that came with that was over there originally, we cut up to make the cushions because the cushions were actually moldy. So we made new cushions out of the old bed and just put these blankets over it. I don't know, we want to make like, we actually want to sew real cushions, but for now this works. Here we have a couch, and it actually lifts up and goes like this. There is storage underneath here. So there's storage here, and then there's storage here. We just keep stuff that we don't use every day. And then here it's kind of a mess still. We want to clear this area more, and we want to put art all over here. And then I have my longboard. I want to eventually put like a shelf here, and then put plants like this. And then, so it's like more of like a reading nook, but right now it's just storage. And that's it for the top area. I work online, so we have the Wi-Fi set up here. It's an extender, yeah. It just makes the signal stronger and like more range. This is an old phone I have, and we also use it to track the solar. So we just have like the app, and then it just goes to the Bluetooth. We also have storage up here. Then we have towels here and like workout stuff, and some snacks. And then here it's just like kind of like the junk drawer, and that's that. And then the first aid kit as well. We changed all the light bulbs in the RV to more efficient ones, because the old ones like literally make this hot, so that's like a waste of energy. And that's the living room. And then if you come over here, we have cockpit where we have this charger thing. We have our film camera here, and then our GPS. And we had to buy, there's no glove compartment, so we bought this thing off of Amazon too, to just put stuff that you never realize you need to have. So we picked up this RV with 44,000 miles. That was a really good steal. That's what really made us like want to go see it and make it an option for us. It was a little bit more expensive, but we got the price down to something that worked for us. So it's pretty low mileage. The people that used it before us, they were like old, and they just used it once for like one trip, and then they just let it sit in their driveway. Eventually that caused problems with the generator, because if you let the generator sit for too long, it just stops working. So that was kind of expensive, but now that it's fixed, it was worth it. It was a big transition also because I was planning on going to college, but it was going to be in New York, and we just ended up
COVID happened.
That happened, and then it was going to be online. It's like, why am I going to pay all this money to go online to do school? So.
And just sit in a room
so.
all day.
Sure.
So now we're just going to be making money on the road.
Yeah, I just work. I still work 5 days a week, but
yeah, and wherever we go, I used to work for a company, and they were like, and they're all around America, so they're like, if you need a job anywhere, just give us a call and you got a job. So that's dope. So as you can see, we have new hardwood floors. They're actually plastic. This was all carpet, but we ripped most of it out. We bought some hardwood flooring from Lowe's, and we just laid it down, and I think it looks pretty good. So yeah. So over in the back of the RV, we have our beautiful moped. Her name is Bree. It's a Bentelli Breeze. That's where she gets her name from. But yeah, this hitch didn't come with the RV. We had to get that. So yeah, and it just has a little ramp, and we strap it on. This thing's not going anywhere.
So when you go up top to the RV, you'll see our solar panels. We have 2 that we talked about before. That's pretty much all that's up there. Eventually another project we want to do is to build the deck thing up there. Yeah, but that's kind of a big one. So definitely on the list though. We also have our Instagram channel for the RV, Instagram account.
And a YouTube channel.
Cruising with Christina with the WIT. We want to grow that a little bit. My website is Sofia, SOFIA-Lopez.com. That's it.